Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to charge your T500 or your Iwo 13 smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm just going to show you on how to charge your T500 smartwatch. I know it's just easy guys, it's just for the sake for people who really don't know how to charge your T500 smartwatch. So guys, here it is, the charger, and all you have to do is just connect your charger to the power bank or any adapter, and just make sure that this pins here will be placed into the nodes. Yes, and so then it said charger connected, and make sure guys that it is really properly place, or else it will be removed. Alright, so if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.